Child, listen, Linda. Okay, check this out. So Dollar Tree has this body wash, the Sugar Key Lime Scented. Let's see how this smells. I'm excited because when I see new items like this, I get excited because in my mind, I'm like, girl, you know that's gonna smell good. But honey, let's get this to go and see how it smells. When I tell you Dollar Tree never doing this. Now, this smells like key lime pie. All right. So if you ever go into your Dollar Tree, see if they have this key lime pie down to the T. It smells so good. For $1.25, honey, it smells amazing. The sugared key lime scented, just like key lime pie. Honey, you'll thank me. Listen. Honey, I was walking down the aisle and I said, you know what? That key lime, honey, it hits. Why I came across this, I said, oh my goodness, this is the sweet pineapple melon scented. Now, in my mind, I'm like, girl, you already know that's gonna smell good, okay? But let's get this a sniff. You remember back in the day, we would do, I don't know if you guys did this, those pineapple CNC sodas. Come on, don't act like you two bougie girls. Now, the pineapple CNC sodas, delightful. They tasted so good, nice and cold, refreshed. Oh my goodness. Now, were they healthy for you? Honey, probably not. Okay, I would like to say they wasn't, but honey, they tasted good. If you are looking for something that smells like a pineapple soda, honey, this is it. It smells so good. And Dollar Tree has a few of these, and I can almost assure you that these most likely they will sell out quick. When I tell you delightful. 2 items you want to grab. The 2 items you want to be on the lookout for is these 2 right here. The key lime body wash, and then also you want to get the pineapple. Oh my goodness, this from Personal Care smells delicious. Okay, so you said you want the new of the newest. Check this out. Have you seen these? So this is the eco-friendly toilet bowl cleaning strips. You get 24 of these for $1.25. Now, this is lavender and vanilla. This is cool. Drop 1 strip into toilet bowl. Strip will dissolve completely when wet. Use a toilet brush to clean inside of the toilet until strip dissolves. Use once a week to keep your toilet sparkling clean. Honey, a thing like a chicken wing. I want to say they just came out with these or just put these out because, honey, as you can see, they have a whole bunch of these. Now, you know, I bring the heat. That's going to have you move your feet to our faces. Check these items out. My love, who said that it was too early for back to school supplies? Not Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree said, listen, we putting these out 1, 2, 3. The scented gel pen and highlighter. Honey, Dollar Tree is out here delivering. They ain't playing. They straight up slaying. Now, Dollar Tree also have the chewing gum. Smells so good. $1.25. These scented gel pens, absolutely amazing. They also have the Crayolas 8 retired colors. Okay. All right. They said, honey, we're back. Now, Dollar Tree also have the colored chalk sticks. You get 2 packs for $1.25, and each pack, it has 24 chalk sticks altogether. Loved it. Now, if you guys are looking for tumblers, honey, there's no way you come into Dollar Tree and saying that Dollar Tree don't have the tumblers, because they definitely do. They have so many tumblers. My fave is definitely the watermelon, okay? Absolutely love the watermelon and the strawberry. They also have the ice creams. We have seen these a few times before. Honey, Dollar Tree is out here. I'm going to say this every time. Dollar Tree is always giving you a huge selection to choose from. Absolutely love this for $1.25. Honey, we're in a place to be. These, absolutely love these. Okay, you get 2 of these. They have the lock on them, $1.25. And when I say the lock, I mean, you know, the top on the lid on it, okay? Now, they come in different colors. They have the red. They also have this gray. And honey, you know, green is my thing, like a chicken wing, okay? Get into it. Okay, so Dollar Tree said, listen, we gonna slay. And Dina is not finna play, nor delay. Now get into this. These are absolutely lovely. Love these. Now Dollar Tree also have these storage containers as well. You get 3. These are the nesting containers, reusable, rectangle, $1.25. Absolutely love these. Now these, the only color I see for these is pretty much gray, and then they have 2 other different lid colors. They also have this red up here, and then this light green and a light gray. Big bowls, absolutely love that. They come in red, green, and gray. Honey, I think that's like the song that never ends. It just keep going on, my friend. Right? They have the red, the gray, and the green, like a chicken wing. And don't forget your lids when you come to Dollar Tree, $1.25. So I have came up with this idea. So I am going to start doing some DIYs. It's so funny how you speak things into existence and you may say it. I know I said this like a few months ago and I didn't have a clue on what type of DIYs to do, but I'm excited because this week I am going to do a few DIYs using Dollar Tree products. And let me know in the comment section if you guys want to see some DIYs like on cleaning products. Okay, you may be like, DIYs on cleaning products, right? Like I have seen this cool DIY using Downy beads, you know, for air freshener. Now let me know if you guys want to see that. Back into the haul. Another amazing item that Dollar Tree has is these crates right here. Now, these crates are $10. I remember going to Michael Crabs. You know, sometimes in Dollar Tree, you don't know if you at Michael's, at Target. You just don't know, okay? But these crates are amazing to make some cool DIYs. I use these personally to do steaming. And when I say steaming, I'm talking about yoni steaming. Really, really good. Honey, if you don't know what yoni steaming is, I'm going to need you to look it up. It's really beneficial. Is absolutely amazing. But these crates are really good because at Michael's they want about $20. Another item that Dollar Tree has started selling, Wade kills ants, spiders, roaches, and flies. This is $5. No lingering chemical odor, it says. Another fun item is these right here, the bunch balloons. Absolutely love these. 30 in 20 seconds. If you talk about having a good time with your family at the park, it's finna be hot. Honey, you want to definitely get these. You at the park, imagine this. You at the park, you and your children, y'all just had a picnic, okay? You take out the water balloons. Now it's about to be on. Big game about to be on, okay? Come to Dollar Tree and get you some water balloons for $3. You get 30 for $3. You guys may want to be on the lookout is these throw pillows, okay? So they had them in different colors. They had some orange ones, some black ones, even some gray and white ones. These are $5. And when I tell you they feel okay, right? They feel okay. But honey, where you gonna get some throw pillows for $5, right? This is a still deal like Holyfield. Absolutely love this. These clean color lip colors. These are $1.25. They come in different shades. Now on here, let me see, honey. All right, hydrate and lip color, lipstick rain, that's what it says on this one. I don't think that this pretty much, if they say like the names of the lipstick, I mean like, you know, the colors, you just see it, you know, visually, okay? All right, family, let me know what was your favorite items. Mine's definitely was the body washes, okay, honey? You know, those body washes, they smell so freaking amazing. Absolutely love them. And those storage containers that Dollar Tree has, honey, one thing about Dollar Tree is if you are a person that's like, I don't want to say you have OCD, but if you like things to be in a place, well organized, you definitely want to check out the Dollar Tree, because it's stores that I know of, like the Container Store, which by the way is an absolutely beautiful store. But if you're looking for something that's, you know, some containers that's inexpensive, definitely go to the Dollar Tree because they containers, you know, they're right with me. With that being said, I love you guys. Keep rocking out, believing in yourselves. Until next time.